can't even get my goddamn camera together. Get this shit, baby. What is happening? Who pig? Y'all don't know y'all pig is out. Who pig?
Nigga big as shit too.
I don't see nobody or nothing to know. Oh my God, where do you come
I
from?
don't know, but he need to go. Look at that nigga, he just chilling. Why he got all that fur too?
He belonged to somebody. He's somebody motherfucking pet. Pig, where you live at? Baby, no. Why do we see a fucking pig, yo?
Hey. He ain't about to shit, is he?
I want to know where he going and where he coming from.
Right up a little bit. So I get a better view of him. Right here.
Trying to figure out what we doing. I want to know where you going, nigga. Y'all asses.